Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar and today we'll cover some more questions from finance topic, which again is an important part of your technical syllabus. Friends, this technical syllabus is having 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage of your phase 2 of SEBI grade A exam. And friends, you can find the entire technical syllabus of SEBI grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice the entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link on the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. First question, exchange rates expressed by any currency pair that does not involve US dollars are called. Option A, non-American rates. Option B, European rates. Option C, cross rate. Option D, multiple rates. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is option C, cross rate. So friends, before moving on to the next question, let's discuss the question I asked in my previous video. I asked what is the difference between American and European style of option. So friends, the correct answer is that the main difference between American and European style of option is that European option may be exercised only at the expiration date of the option, while American option may be exercised at any time before the expiration date. Moving on, Usha Thorat Committee formed for recommending policy measures to ensure stability of the external value of the domestic currency is constituted by option A SEBI, option B IRDAI, option C RBI, option D central government and last option none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is option C RBI. Next question, MCX stands for option A market for commodity exchange, option B money and commodity exchange, option C money and currency exchange, option D multi-commodity exchange of India and last option none of these. So friends, remember that MCX stands for multi-commodity exchange of India. Regulated by SEBI, MCX is India's largest commodity derivative exchange and the chairman of MCX is Padala Subba Reddy. So friends, the question for today's video is, where is the headquarter of MCX located? So those who know the answer, please comment in the comment box below. We'll discuss it in our tomorrow's video. Next question, what does HNIs stand for? Option A, high net worth indices. Option B, high net worth individuals. Option C, high net worth information. Option D, all of the above. Last option, none of the above. So friends, HNI is mainly represents high net worth individuals. The correct answer is option B. Friends, these are important because they contribute higher amount of taxes to the government. Next question, under public-private partnership model, public partners can be option A central government ministry, option B state government ministry, option C municipal corporation and option D central or state controlled enterprise. So and last option all of the above. So friends, under public-private partnership model, public and partners can be all of the above. So the correct answer is option E. Next question, app launched by SEBI for investors to facilitate them to lodge their grievances is named as option A Umang, option B Scores, option C MyGov, option D DigiLocker and last option none of these. So friends, the name of the app is Scores, that is option B. So friends, SCORE stands for SEBI Complaints Redressal System. Moving on, which of the following is not a factor for cost push inflation? Option A, increase in cost of production. Option B, rise in energy and commodity prices. Option C, increase in demand for goods. Option D, trade unions demanding higher wages. And last option, only B and C. So friends, here the correct answer is option C, increase in demand for goods. So friends, remember that cost push inflation is caused due to the factors on the supply side of a good and not on the demand side. Next question, contractionary fiscal policy is helpful during option A inflationary phase, option B deflationary phase, option C stable economy, option D both A and B and last option none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is option A inflationary phase. Friends, remember that contractionary fiscal policy is done by raising taxes or reducing government spending, basically to reduce money with public to curtail inflation. Next question, which of the following statements are incorrect regarding angel funds? Option A, angel fund is in India is regulated by SEBI. Option B, it is a form of equity financing. Option C, they invest in well-established business houses. Option D, it is riskier than debt financing. And last option, all of the statements regarding angel funds are correct. So friends, here the correct answer is option C, they invest in well-established business houses. So friends, angel funds are a type of alternative investment funds invest in very early stage business, providing capital for startup or expansion. Next question, dash are financial instruments required by investors to invest in Indian stock markets without being registered with SEBI. So the options are option A, treasury bills, option B, participatory notes, option C, promissory notes, option D, bonds, and last option, none of the above. So friends, the correct answer here would be option B, participatory notes. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI graded technical syllabus in MCQ format. 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanation for correct answer wherever required. Plus 25 test series to practice from your technical syllabus. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is given in the description box below. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box below. I will try to address them. And I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI Grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.